Raz Kids is an interactive online reading program created by Learning A through Z, which is a company that creates reliable learning resources and educational technology tools that promote creativity and innovation in the classroom. Raz Kids cost $109.95 for a full class or at-home subscription for 1 year. While this might seem like a lot of money, the Raz Kids website has over 50 grants to apply for to help with funding. Raz Kids has a library of over 500 level books that students can easily access with a computer or mobile device. Because it is fully online, it is an easily accessible reading tool for students with disabilities. Students can use their own assistive technology device to access the website. The fact that this interactive reading program offers 27 different levels of books makes it a great resource for any student in the classroom. However, Raz Kids is most beneficial for students who struggle with reading. Low-performing readers will be able to listen to books and read books independently at their own level. Studies indicate that as time spent reading appropriate levels increases, reading performance improves. After the teacher sets up her account, there will be a class homepage that looks like this. Each student will have their own icon and color. This is helpful for children who do not know how to read yet. When students click on their icon, it takes them to the Raz Kids Planet, where they can listen to books in the book room. The book room is where the students' leveled books are. They could search through their leveled books library and pick a book that they would like to listen to, read on their own, and then take a quiz for. Students earn stars for reading books in their library. Students can use their stars to buy pieces to build their Raz Kids robot or buy items for their Raz rocket. The student that you see in this video was a level B in September. Now, in June, she is a level H. She is using all of the stars that she earned throughout the school year to build her Raz rocket. Raz Kids is also a great tool for teachers to use. Teachers can use the digital reporting tool by logging into their Raz Kids account. Teachers can easily change the reading level of student with this drop-down. They can also see the recent activity that students have had. This student has read 5 books and has advanced a reading level and has 7 perfect quizzes in a row. Teachers can also see a skill report for each student. The skill report shows the teacher what the student is doing well and what the student needs more guidance with. This student is doing well with making inferences, comparing and contrasting, analyzing characters, problem and solution, story elements, and author's purpose. But you can see that she needs help with reality and fantasy and classifying information. Analyzing the skill reports lets teachers know what to work on with students. Raz Kids acts as an informal assessment so that the teacher knows what to do with each student during conferences. There are many benefits to using Raz Kids to support reading. Raz Kids can be used anywhere there is internet access. There is a mobile app for Raz Kids which makes it easily accessible for students. It can be used to support students of all reading levels and as a scaffold or intervention for struggling readers. Raz Kids provides struggling readers with individualized instruction and more independence. Every student can listen and read a story at their own level. As they read the story, the words are highlighted, which makes it easier for students to follow along. While reading a story independently, students can click on words for help with decoding and vocabulary. Teachers do not always have time to model fluent reading for students. Raz Kids gives students the opportunity to hear and practice fluent reading independently. Raz Kids also has an option available for English language learners who speak Spanish to learn how to read. Students can go to More Books and then hit Spanish leveled books to read books in Spanish. Although this program has many benefits, Raz Kids also has some downfalls. Students might skip through books just to earn stars, like this. Some of the books in Raz Kids are not great literacy stories. The teacher will need to monitor the use of Raz Kids in the classroom, and they also have the option of turning the incentives off for certain students. Ultimately, Raz Kids keep struggling readers motivated and engaged. They are given the opportunity to read at their own pace, earn stars, and have reading success on their own.